So we supered it with drawn frames, wet. A week later, the middle frames, eggs and larvae. So this is 14 days after supering. I could just smell the nectar. And this box is totally empty.
Wow.
Laid everything.
With drone.
And drone.
Wow. Oh, wow.
This is a new queen. We're looking at this for a breeder. We'll know more in a couple of weeks, but
That is high productivity.
I gotta look.
Temperament okay so far. They already seem packed.
No smoker.
No smoker?
No.
Really?
You can smell the nectar.
It's got the sugar spray?
Yeah. We're gonna have to super her next week.
Oh my God.
This is the bottom box. Okay, there's the same on the. Okay, so we got.
And that
Beautiful.
frame is full, honey.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness.
Or is it
Nectar.
All nectar.
Only.
Wow. No pollen. And all brood on that side.
6 frames of brood.